Hi, in front of me is OPPO A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and tap on fingerprint, face and password. Go into add face, enter your current login method and tap continue. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!